Welcome! In front of me I have Huawei Band 9 and I'm gonna show you how to change the straps or the wristband on this smart band. If you want to change the straps on your smart band, first you need to remove the old ones, and to do it you need to grab your smart band, flip it around, and on the back of the smart band you will see that next to each strap there is this button, and basically to remove the strap we need to press and hold on this button, and once you press and hold on it, it will release the strap and you can just pull it out. Quite simple. Press and hold and pull out. And here we have our band and our straps. And once you get the new straps, to put them on is quite simple too. You just grab your smart band, you grab your strap, and you just insert it right here. You have two pins on the strap and two holes on the band, and you basically insert it and it clicks, and once it clicks it means that the mechanism locked and it will hold the strap. Same for this side, like this, and the straps are attached. And that's how you change the straps on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving the like on the video.